What's going on, you guys? I am JDoggy, and today we're going to be removing background noise from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So to get started, we're going to open our Creative Cloud app, and then we're going to run Premiere Pro app from inside there. Awesome. Once Premiere Pro opens, you can either click your movie and drag it on to start a new file, or you can click on the new project, which I will do, new project, and then I can call it tutorial. Okay, and look at this, it's already in videos, remove background noise, which is just where I want it, but if that's not where you want the file to save, you can click on that, and then you can select your folder that you want to save your video to, or your video file, select folder, and then click OK to begin. So, right when you get brought into Premiere Pro, you should be brought into the Assembly tab, which is exactly what we want. If you're not there, just click on over till you get yourself into the assembly. And next we're going to take our media and we're going to drag it in and we're just going to drop it right over there. Okay, so we have our timeline down here, which is what we're creating, and we're making it out of the pieces that we have over here. So this is the only piece we have for this demonstration. We're just going to drag it into the timeline. And let's give this a listen. We'll see how the audio is. There is a highway just next to the skate park that I was at yesterday, and it was also outside, recorded on a DSLR with no microphones, just straight recording from the camera. So let's see what we got. Okay, so as you guys could hear, there was a ton of background noise going on in there. To get rid of that, we're going to go to the top in Adobe Premiere. We're going to click on the Audio tab, and right when you get brought here, you should be in the Audio Clip Mixer. What we want to be in is the Audio Track Mixer, because we got this fancy little arrow to show and hide the effects. So we're going to click that drop down, the effects panel will pop out, and we're going to start with our first effect. So we're going to add this in, click on the next drop down arrow, and then we're going to see noise reduction / restoration. We're going to use the denoise for this effect, for these purposes here. So we'll click on that, and let's just see what it did right away. So as you guys could tell, quite a bit quieter, but there was still a fair amount of background noise. To increase, it looks like we're at 40% denoising, so we're going to double click on the denoise and we'll be brought into the denoise panel. It says 40% down here, and this is also indicated by the amount slider that looks like it's around the 40. We're going to grab this and we're going to try maybe 70. So let's try with 70 and we'll listen to the same clip again. Alright, so as you guys can hear, we can hear the camera zooming in and out this time. The highway sounds seem to have been completely eliminated, but there is a little bit more of noise that's going on that we don't necessarily need. So we're going to add one more effect here in noise reduction and restoration. This time we're going to do the de-reverb. This one's going to start at 40% as well. And let's listen to the clip again. Okay, so that's a night and day difference. This time, you guys, I'm going to turn these effects off and we'll see what we had before we started. And I'll turn the effects back on real quick now just so you guys can really get the feel for it. Okay, I'm about to say something in the video. Maybe.
What's the temperature?
It's 45 degrees out today. Just kidding, I think it's only 38, but it's so hot.
Okay, so it's 35 degrees out, 38 degrees, whatever I said. You guys could hear that even though the denoise and de-reverb are both turned on, we have 40% and almost 70% for the denoise. You could still hear my voice crisp and clear. It sounded almost as if I had a lapel mic on, and all that noise from the background that we were having to listen to before, gone.
It's 45 degrees out today.
45 degrees out today. Let's listen one more time with our effects.
What's the temperature?
It's 45 degrees out today.
Okay, so as you guys could see, the background noise almost completely eliminated. It makes our video sound a lot more high quality, as if we were using boom mics, lapel mics, whatever. just these two super easy effects that you can add in. And the nice part about these is that when you add them in, it takes out the noise from the background, but it also increases the gain on the things that it thinks are important, which is, it's usually pretty close. So you guys could hear my voice didn't really change in volume, but the background noise almost completely gone. So that's how you remove background noise from a video. If you guys like this video, give me a like, leave a comment what other tech videos you'd like to learn in the future, and I will be happy to teach you. Catch you later.